Hello everybody! Welcome back to my channel. Kumusta po ang lahat? Good morning. It's actually 11:26 na po ng umaga. So it's almost like noontime na. Anyways, tingnan niyo yung mukha ko. Parang haggard. Yesterday, I wasn't feeling well. I was very sick yesterday. Pumunta kaming Birmingham yesterday. And then, for some reason, I didn't felt so well. Coming back to Birmingham, which is like a 4-hour drive, sumuka ako ng sumuka. Niandar akong kabuhi, guys. My God. Unsa ba sa English ang kabuhi? So, niandar jud akong kabuhi kagahapon. Pag uli na mo, nakita gyud sa ako ang hobby. Kung unsa ko magsuka pag magbiyahe. I have bad motion sickness. And I do have medicines for that now. Actually, naagid ko yung medicine ana, pero ambot ra pud, wala pud ko nag-inom because I thought na okay lang ko. And it's been a while since that happened to me. The last time it happened to me that I was like throwing up so bad, I had a bad motion sickness was when I was flying from Manila here to the US. That was like 10 months ago. So, first time yun nakita sa akong bana kung unsa jud ko magsuka ha sa biyahe. Good thing I have a motion sickness bag or air sickness bag sa car. Kinagpapalit jud ko ana sa iyaha sa Amazon dati. Kung ang dami jud ko og kuan motion sickness bag sa car. Kay di ambot lang og uso ba sa inyo ang plastic bags, but anyways, gipalitan ko niyag motion sickness bag na ako like about 50 pieces. Dili na siguro 50 pieces kay nakuhaan na siya. So, na-jud ko ready sa car always. So, mao jud taon to, ginoo ko for 3 hours at least. Pero dyan akong suka-suka sa car kagahapon. Mura jud kog mabuang. Lipong na kaayo ko. Every time we're at the stoplight, waiting for the green light, kanang ang akong mga tanaw sa mga puno is kanang gapalayo na gid ang mga kahoy sa ako. Inana na jud ko kalipong, my God. So anyways, that's just how I am when I travel. So today is April 5 DI. Happy, unsa ba? Wala ko nag-vlog adtong Easter. So happy Easter everybody. I know it's very late, but then happy Easter and unsa pa ba? Wala ko nag-vlog adtong Easter. We were just at home. Wala mi gibuhat. I think we watched a movie. It was quite a bit boring, and I think nag-jogging me that afternoon as well. So, walang ganap sa Easter. Wala kaming Easter egg hunt. So, ayun. And then yesterday, we went to Birmingham. Walang masyadong ganap. I think we went fishing as well. We went fishing. Today, he was actually planning to go fishing, but since I wasn't feeling well, ana ko sa iya nga, you can go. Wala po siya nilakaw. Actually, he asked me if he can go alone. Kaya di magid ko, ingon magid ko na no. I was like, go ahead if you want to. He was like, are you okay? Are you okay? Wala ko ni tubag. Ana siya nga, no, I'm not going because you don't want me to go. Ibalik siya gihigda. Walay pangisda nga nahitabo. So I think there's nothing going on at the pier as well, at Navarre Pier. So, which is a good thing. Maybe tomorrow we'll go tomorrow. Since it's the weekend. It's been a while since nag-vlog ko. Kay murag, I had my period as well. I had a bad dysmenorrhea as well. So that's why wala ko nag-vlog for days. But right now, we're having lunch. I'm a barbecue girl. I love barbecue. Especially pork or beef. Pork barbecue or anything. Lami unta kayo ang kuan. My lunch yesterday was a pulled pork barbecue sandwich at Full Moon in Birmingham, but for some reason, yeah, I wasn't feeling good. So I still have a leftover and I did not eat it because it's yucky. So anyway, we have steak fajitas. This is gonna be our lunch today. I-microwave lang ni nako, guys. Actually, it's still frozen, but I think I'm just gonna thaw it out sa microwave. When we went fishing, nag-grocery me, and then I found this. I've been looking for this and I found this finally. So maybe this is for tomorrow. I'm throwing it out sa fridge. Still frozen, but yeah. Ako na lang ning abrihan ang duha kay I'm for sure mukhaon tong isa. Ito na po ang ating steak fajitas na ready, fully cooked na siya. Microwave lang namin. And of course, our A1 sauce. Hindi pwedeng walang A1. Yan. Actually, kinunan ko na yun. Ito yung akin. And dito na po ang akin. Ayan. Microwave ako ng guys. Kain tayo, guys. Ayan. Lunch na ako. Lunch na kami. Ano na yung asawa ko. Hati kami sa asawa ko. Not exactly hati kasi mas marami sa kanya. Ayan. Yan yung mukha ko. Very haggard. Hilong-hilo ako kahapon. Sumusuka ako. Tapos, sumusuka din pala ako ng isang araw kasi sobrang sakit ng ulo ko. Sumusuka ako. Kaya, ayun. Sabi ng kapatid ko, baka buntis ka na. Hindi, may period ako. May period ako. Patapos pa lang yung period ko, kaya ayun. Hindi ako buntis. You never know. We'll see. Pag next month, hindi ako nag-period, so alam niyo na. Update ko kayo, guys. Pero hindi. I don't think na buntis ako. I'm not. Anyways, lunch na tayo. Let's eat! Tawagin ko yung asawa ko. Nag-workout ang asawa ko. Kain tayo, guys. Hello, hello. We're in the car. It's already 1:07 and it's currently 74 degrees outside. It's really beautiful. In the car, it's 80. But it's actually 74 degrees right now. And it's a beautiful day. Look at the flower. Oh, look at the flower. Ayan. I was in Walmart today. We'll do some errands and then yeah. That's it. Alis kami. Sabi ko sa kanya, maya na sana. Maya na sana ng hapon. Sabi niya ngayon na kasi mamaya it's gonna be like a Friday rush hour traffic. So, we'll do it now. Ito pala yung mga pinamili ni asawa, guys. Yan. We have the New York strip steak for dinner. Mag-grill tayo. Yan. Bumili siya ng tea and cauliflower, shank, turkey. Ay, chicken breast pala na deli fresh salad, cheese. Ito yung mga pinamili niya. Rin siya nito. Ay, ayun. Andun na yung pole para sa mailbox namin. Magpapala na siya. Magdidig na siya ng hole. Tulungan ko lang, guys.
I met you in the first grade, puppy loving. Then we kissed for the first time, got in trouble. You left when we were 18, off to college. I guess that's just the way that it goes.
Hindi pa namin natapos yung mailbox, guys. Kasi we need some more stuff. Gutom na ako. So, kain na tayo. Magluto muna kami. Mag-grill si husband ng steak. And then, saute lang ako nitong onion and bell pepper. Sa Australia, they call it capsicum. Mabilis lang ito. Sunset.
Turn it off.
What's our weather tonight? Yes. Can we eat here?
Yep.
Oy, sorry, Sisi. Ayan. Really. Tapos na akong mag-saute ng Tapos na akong mag-saute ng ang tawag dito? Yung bell pepper.
Oh man, I should have put yours on. That's okay.
That's okay. That's enough. Kain tayo, guys. Steak nights. Oh, I have a wine. Ayaw ni husband. Yan ang akin. Got yours, got the wine. Ooh, yummers. Let's eat, everybody. Let's eat, baby.
I met you in the first grade, puppy loving. Then we kissed for the first time, got in trouble. You left when we were 18, off to college. I guess that's just the way that it goes.
Hello, everybody. Good evening po. Good evening again. Kakatapos ko lang skincare. Akala mo naman kung anong skincare. Anyways, it's 10:51 na po ng gabi. And natutulog na actually yung asawa ko. Nagbibiruan sila ng kapatid ko kanina. Nagvi-video call kami. Pinagtitripan yung mga kapatid ko. Ayun, tawang-tawa kami kanina. Anyways, yes, I think that's it for today. Yun po ang aming Sabado. Biyernes pala. Yan po ang aming Biyernes. Tinanong ko siya kung mag-fishing kami tomorrow. Sabi niya hindi daw kami mag-fishing kasi tatapusin daw namin yung mailbox para matapos na. So, ayun. Maraming salamat po sa panunood niyo sa vlog ko, sa video. Hanggang dito. I hope you watch my other videos as well. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe, please like, and please share my videos. And maraming salamat po sa mga nakasubscribe na. Thank you, everybody. And I hope to see you in my next vlog. Good night po. Ayan na si Habi. Natutulog na. Kausap ko si ate. Tsaka yung pamangkin ko. Ayan. Tsaka naka-on na rin yung moon namin. Ayan. Good night po, everybody. Pakita ko lang yan.
What are you doing in your car?
Ayan, ang aming ceiling. Moon po ang ating... Yes, hang on, Bea. Moon po ang ating theme for tonight. Good night.